welcome officially to the Motor World here in Munich. It is a staggering place, not just in its dimensions where you see it like this, but just listen to the figures, right? 75,000 square meters big, and that over 4 stories. But they also have a cellar, and that cellar caused them to have to move 300,000 tons of earth. There's a plethora of things for you to see and for you to do, and you can bring the whole family and so on, because you have not just cars to look at, but you also have places where you can go and eat something, you can buy some clothes, there's a lot of accessories, 25 of the world's most exclusive brands under one very large roof. It's also for the people who own cars to actually bring them here and have them fixed or serviced. There's a restoration place for old-timers, and then there is a section with 120 glass cubicles where people from all around the world, it's actually, I think this is one of them, people from all around the world can bring their old-timers and then place them in there. And if you're a company and you wanted to come here and have an event and whatnot, there are huge spaces in which you can do that, as well as a hotel, a 4-star hotel right here in the Motor World. Sack of nuts, look at this. Yo, is that gorgeous or what? Look at the number plate. Fast and Furious. A great place. We're also showing you this because in here in the heart of the Motor World is our 765 that we're going to pick up in a second. Look who we got here.
Alex, alles gut?
Yeah.
We're gonna pick up a 765 LT.
Oh yeah.
That's always a good day.
It's always a good day, exactly. I'm so excited.
Should be parked back there, I think.
Yeah,
if you
quite
want to have
probably.
a sneak peek.
Okay.
It's the first one in the row.
Oh, you already know all of this.
I already took it for test drive. Yeah, of course.
Our car.
Yeah, of course.
Were you nice to it?
A few launch controls, sideways action.
If anything goes wrong with it, Alex is the one
it's all
to
my
blame.
fault. All right.
So cool seeing you guys here.
Yes, take care and
Thanks
have
so
fun
much.
with the car, okay?
Hey, and maybe sometimes we're going to do something together at some stage.
That could be really
cool. That would
cool.
be funny, eh?
All right.
I think that would be cool.
Take care.
All right,
have fun
cheers,
with the
Alex.
car.
Ciao, thank you. Gosh, he drove that 765 already. It's not fair. Before we actually get the car here at McLaren in Munich, here at the Motor World, I wanted to just take you through the shop because there are some cars really worth seeing. I'm going to turn this camera around so you can see a little bit better what I'm talking about. We are fetching our 765 LT, a car that we have just desired since the very first moment we actually laid eyes on the 765 LT first. We made numerous videos on this car already, but we have a plan for this one. We fell in love with it. We had to get our own one, not one that we're preparing and then selling. No, this car we are actually going to keep. It is so stunning. Keep your eyes out on what we're going to do with this. But for now, I think it's time for them to hand it all over and for us to take it back to Novitec and put it into the room with the rest of the family. So it is official. We just gotten the key to our own 765 LT. Take this off. See you guys on the road. All right, here we go in our very own 765 LT. Take her out of the Motorworld. Actually driving this car out here. Quite a special occasion. How's it, guys? Ooh, nice and tight. Yes, well, here we are in our 765 LT. Why did we get this car? Well, for the simple reason that we are thinking that since all cars are really getting hybrid and more electric in their setup, this is probably one of the few last purebred supercars. We have to say this is actually almost a hypercar, at least when we're going to be done with it. And it's still just a combustion engine. No battery, no aid in that sense. Don't get me wrong, it's probably not a bad move for the rest of the world, but to be honest, this is something special. This car's got 765 horsepower at this point in time from that twin turbocharged 4-litre engine, 800 Newton meters of torque. Dry weight of this car, it's lighter than my Ford Fiesta ST, and it's got nearly 4 times the amount of power. That is bonkers. Oh, those turbos. Drive quality, there's the directness of the steering and the communication that it gives to you as the driver from the road through your bottom on these massive, beautiful, beautiful bucket seats. On a scale of 1 to 10, let me know how desirable you find this McLaren 765 LT. Maurice is not in this car. No. They still at McLaren for a very good reason, because they're busy speccing out the 765 LT Spider that we're going to get. Yes, that is going to be another car that we're buying, and you can just be so excited about that video. So if you guys haven't yet, and if you want to see all the adventures coming up, then feel free to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Give us a thumbs up and follow our journey with supercars and the stories that we tell about them. You can also follow us on Instagram at Novitec Group, or you can follow me personally at Beyond the Cock. Do me a favor and let me know with the Spider that we're getting, what kind of color should we get the Spider in? The 765 LT Spider, what kind of a color would you like us to get that car? Maybe we can just get the color that you love. It really is just for us to enjoy, and of course for you. So keep your eyes on the channel and join us for that. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bada boom.